So this is the actual furniture part. Cushions obviously I've shown you. This is how the furniture came, but it came on a pallet. It was all wrapped up with a black cover. It looks like the toilet holders there. This is part of the kitchen unit, and that looks like it's the bed. We'll be putting that together after we've done some sort of finish on it. My only worry is that this tape is super sticky. I'm not sure what it's going to do to the wood when we take it off. I just hope there's no glue left on the wood. This is the toilet box. Comes with this sellotape on it, as I've said, very sticky. We'll see whether it marks the wood. It looks like this, maybe the underside is the better face, and which is why they've stuck it to the back. So the tape, it's left a very slight sticky residue on a couple of areas. It looks like that's the inside. It looks like that's the finished side. So these marks, whatever this is, this green stuff, and the two grooves are going to be visible. That's not very good. The two parts of the bed. This is part one. The other sticker's got two, so obviously one's the main base and the other one slides out of it. Again, it's got this sticky, and it's really sticky here. It's taking the wood off, coming off on the tape. I don't know how I can get that off. I'm doing it as slow as I can. Maybe slow's not good. Do it a little bit faster. Do it at an angle so the... What's that? That's glue in the knot. And more wood coming off, more ply coming off. Look. Do it. Oh, brought a whole strip off. That's not very good. That has brought the whole strip of that ply off. Look, the top surface. I don't think this is a very good idea. It's an inside panel. I'm taking this off with the grain because it's been taped across the grain. So I'm trying to peel it off with the grain and maybe let it stop that happening. Oh god, that's sticky. There, all the glue staying on. That's better. Try and peel it off at 45 degrees. To lift this up and have a look underneath. That's going to slide slightly. So the tape goes right. Oh. I presume this is a non-visible part because it's filthy. Black, it's got oil on it. This must have been on the base of the pallet. Black marks. Scratches. Hopefully we're not going to see this bit, but it will. There's a handle there, it's going to be the pull out part.